What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video. Here we are again. If you could tell from my last video, I did fix the 240. Moving all those wires, I pulled the ground wire from the starter, and that's why I wouldn't start. So this will be the last day with the 240 because I need to save the spot for something else. Just over the weekend, the 240 will come back. It's just, this is gonna go where that is, and I'm gonna bring that over here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show exactly what I'm gonna put in this place for the meantime. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Today we're gonna continue what we were supposed to do yesterday, which was flip the car around and then work on cleaning that side. So we'll see if she's gonna start today. Wish me luck. Found another wire that was disconnected. I'm pretty sure it was loose before I even started messing with those wires. I guess I put it loose when I was pulling those wires, and I had to mess with it a little bit more in order to get the car running. All right, so we got it turned around and back in the garage. I really feel like it was driving a lot better than it has been in a long time, or ever actually since I owned it. The seat being leaned back a little bit more helped a lot. It felt like an all-around better car. I really feel like it has to do with that connector. That was the reason it wasn't starting just now. Well, it's part of the reason why it wasn't starting yesterday, but the starter was really just disconnected yesterday. I just want to get this cleaned up. As you can see, there are some stains right there. There are some stains on the seat and also some, I don't know what that is. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up right there while I do this. It's kind of late. I really don't want to get into this right now, but then again, I do. All right, you can see it really isn't that bad, like in this area, except for whatever that is, and I don't know what that is, but that's why we're doing this, so we can clean it up. I really don't know what that is. We got a hell of a project. Luckily, I'm gonna be able to document this as much as I can, unlike what I did with the Corolla. I'm looking forward to be able to look back on this and be able to see what I was able to accomplish with this car. I don't doubt myself at all. What is that? It's more exciting. It's a little bit scary, especially seeing those wires under the hood. But I've done so much with cars already. I don't have any doubt that I can fix whatever issue is going on. It's just more exciting than anything. All right, so here's one last look at the inside before I vacuum and do whatever I have to do to clean any of that over there. So yeah, here's the last look. And all right, so you can argue that this still looks horrible, but if you saw what it was before, you gotta admit that it does look better, especially on this side. I couldn't get much of this out. I really don't know what that is. So I'm gonna call that good enough. This carpet is older than me, so I'm not gonna try to bring it back to brand new. We'll just leave it at that. This is as much as I could get out right now with the tools I have. So we're gonna do the same thing on the seat again. I don't know what that is, but I'm pretty sure that's the same thing that's on the inside of the car. And then we got whatever nastiness this is right here. So let's clean this up. All right, it's looking a lot better over here as well. There's a few marks like this right here. This feels really burnt into the fibers, so obviously I can't get everything. And yeah, I'm happy with that. It looks a lot better. And let's just go ahead and throw it back in. All right, it's looking a lot better. I'm really happy with this so far. I was gonna throw these floor mats back in, but I really don't want to. I feel like I feel like I could do a lot better than this. This is like straight up some part store floor mats, and I really don't like how they look in the cars. So I think I'm just gonna leave them out and figure out what to do about getting some floor mats for this car. All right, so one last thing I want to talk about is I really want to thank those of you who are watching. My last video that I posted this morning got, well, it's at right now 70 views, and that's just crazy to me. We're up to 17 subscribers, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but I am really excited for 17 subscribers. So thank you to everybody who's watching. Thank you to anybody who has subscribed. I'm going to continue to do this and get better at doing this. So I hope you guys are looking forward to what we have in the future. It's not going to only be car related things. It's just what I'm doing on a daily basis, and more into the future, we're going to get more and more of what I do on a daily basis. Right now, I'm just doing what I'm comfortable sharing right now, and I don't mean that as in like I don't want to share other things, but filming by myself alone is what I feel comfortable with. Like I said in other videos, I'm gonna have to get comfortable doing this in front of my girl or family, friends, other things like that. And after that, after I'm comfortable filming in front of other people, it's gonna be up to the people that I'm with if it's okay that I share whatever we're doing. Again, I appreciate anybody who's watching this and who has subscribed. I hope you guys are excited as I am for more. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.